All right, this is chapter 2, lesson 4, multiply integers. So multiply integers with different signs. So the product of two integers with different signs is negative. So if I have a positive times a negative, I get a negative. So 6 times negative 4 is negative 24. If I multiply integers with the same sign, I just multiply normally. Product of two integers with the same sign is positive. 2 times 6 is 12. Or negative 2 times negative 6 is 12. Okay? The commutative property of multiplication states that you can multiply in any order. It doesn't matter what order you multiply things in. So 4 times negative 3 is the same thing as negative 3 times 4. They both equal negative 12. Okay? So let's take a look at a couple of examples. So the examples that I have, find 3 times negative 5. Well, 3 and negative 5 are two different signs. So I multiply like normal. 3 times 5 is 15. But I have an odd number of negative signs. So my answer is going to be negative. Next, I have find negative 6 times 8. Well, again, 6 times 8, I can do that, 48. Negative 6 is negative, 8 is positive, so I have different signs, so it becomes negative, negative 48. I have negative 11 times negative 9. Both are negative, so I multiply them. 11 times 9 is 99. Since they're both negative, my answer becomes positive. Then I have find negative 4 squared. Negative 4 is actually in the parentheses, so it means negative 4 times negative 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Two negatives make a positive. Okay? So, there are a couple of try problems out below. I want you to go ahead, pause the video, try them out, and when you're done, we'll go over the answers together. All right, now that you've had a chance to try out the try problems, let's go over the answers together. So, the first try problem I have says 9 times negative 2. Okay, so 9 times negative 2. I have one positive and one negative, so 9 times 2 is 18. Since I have one negative, it's a negative answer, negative 18. Then I have negative 7 times 4. So again, one negative, one positive, I multiply, gives me 28. One negative makes a negative, okay? Then I have negative 12 times negative 4, okay? Two negatives, 12 times 4 is 48. Two negatives make a positive, so it's positive 48. Then I have negative 7 times negative 5 times negative 3. Negative 7 times negative 5 is positive 35. Okay, because again, two negatives make a positive. Multiply those together. Then I multiply positive 35 times negative 3. 35 times 3 is 105. And 1's negative, so my answer is negative. Now for the bottom, financial literacy. Mr. Simon's bank automatically deducts a $4 monthly maintenance fee from his savings account. Write a multiplication expression to represent the maintenance fees for 1 year. Then find the product and explain its meaning. So looking at this, they deduct, they take away $4. They're taking that away. That's a negative number. So I start with negative 4. It's a monthly maintenance fee, which means there are 12 months in a year. $4 is being taken out every single month. So I can multiply that times 12. So negative 4 times 12 is my expression. When I multiply this, I get 48, negative 4, one negative, so I negative answer, negative 48. So the bank deducts $48 per year. Okay? So it asked me to write the expression, evaluate that expression, and explain the meaning, explain what it meant. All right, and that is the end of lesson 4.